Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of General Science, chapter number 9, Work and Energy, on page number 114 of your textbook titled New Trends in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 7th December 2020. Dear students, today we are going to learn the definition of work and the formula for work done. Now, children, what comes to your mind when you hear the word work? Are you thinking about your homework or the work of cleaning up your room? For me, my work today is to make lesson for you. But physics definition of work is very different. In physics, work is done when there is force applied on an object which makes the object move. And amount of work done by the body is directly proportional to the amount of energy possessed by a body. Formula for work done is force multiplied by distance. It is measured in joules. To understand this, let us do a simple activity. For that, I need you to get an object like a book. So pause the lesson and get a book. Are you ready with your book? Hold the book in your hand. Are you doing any work right now? The answer is no, because there is no displacement of the book. But if you go ahead and lift the book up in your hand, now, is there any work done? The answer is yes, because there is a force involved and there is a displacement. You can feel the force when you are lifting the book, and there is displacement of the book. Let us say force of about 10 Newton is applied on the book and displacement is of about 40 centimeter. So how much work has been done? Formula for work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement. So here force is 10 Newton, displacement is 40 centimeter. So work done is equal to 10 Newton multiplied by 40 centimeter. Children, you have to convert distance into SI unit. and SI unit of distance is meter. So convert 40 centimeter into meters, which is equal to 0.4 meter. Now, work is equal to 10 Newton multiplied by 0.4 meter. So our work done is equal to 4 Newton meter or 4 joules. Therefore, work is said to be done if the force applied on the body moves the body, and if no motion or change in position takes place, then no work is done. For example, a cyclist pedaling a cycle does work. A horse pulling a cart does work. An engine pulling a train does work. However, a person does no work if there is no motion, even if a force is applied. For example, a boy pushing a heavy box does no work if the box does not move. Similarly, a coolie does no work while standing with a heavy box on his head, as there is no motion. Therefore, there are two conditions that should be fulfilled for work to be done. Number one, a force should be applied on the body. Number two, the force applied should move the body. Let us take one more example to calculate work done using the formula. The question is, calculate the work done when the boy applies a force of 10 Newton on an Elmira and moves it to a distance of 5 meter. So, force applied is equal to 10 Newton. Distance is equal to 5 meter. Formula for work done is equal to force multiplied by distance, which is equal to 10 Newton multiplied by 5 meter. And answer is 50 Newton meter or 50 joules. Now children, in the similar manner, try to solve this question. The question is, calculate the work done by a woman lifting water from a well. The force applied by women is 5 Newton and the rope moves by a distance 10 meter. The answer for the above question is 50 joules. Let us now understand work done against gravity and in the direction of gravity. Children, gravity is the force that attracts a body towards the center of the earth. When any object moves upwards, it is said to move in direction opposite to that of gravity. Force of gravity acts in downward direction and pulls object downwards. For example, when you throw a ball upwards, the work is done against the force of gravity. After some time, the ball comes back to the ground. It is said to be in direction of gravity. With this topic, I am ending today's interactive session. Children, you must read the chapter thoroughly and after that do worksheet 1 given on page number 116 of your textbook. Thank you, children.